Sharekhan App, your preferred trading and investing app, comes with new features and enhancements. Along with trading and investment in equities, derivatives, and currencies, now invest in mutual funds too. The app's mutual fund section offers a comprehensive dashboard which shows everything you should know about your portfolio. You can even get research-backed fund recommendations here. Starting a SIP is so much easier with the Sharekhan app. A few taps and you'll be SIPing in no time. If you have a financial goal in mind, our robo-advisor Neo can help you plan your investments in mutual funds to achieve that goal. We are delighted to introduce Renko Charts so that you can spot market trends quickly. The Sharekhan app comes with enhancements like the Fibonacci Arc and Measurement tool to help you study the charts and make swift trading decisions. Navigating the app is now easier with markets available at your fingertips. Swipe through the sections and find your preferred screen or market. You can now choose to pin it as the default screen so that you get the information you're looking for as soon as you open the Sharekhan app. So what are you waiting for? Experience the smartest way to trade and invest. Download the Sharekhan app now.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.